You've met someone who just pulls people in. They don't try, yet everyone listens. You might think they were born confident or naturally charming, but charisma isn't magic, and it's built through tiny habits. Some habits make you magnetic, others quietly drain your presence. Most people don't even notice when it's happening. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 small habits that kill your charisma and how to fix them today. Habit number 1, checking notifications. Every time you check your phone, you train your brain to chase tiny rewards. Charisma comes from presence, and presence dies when your mind keeps refreshing. Next time you talk to someone, keep your phone down and look them in the eyes. 3 seconds of focus beats 100 notifications. Habit number 2, complaining too much, saying, "I'm tired," or "This sucks," feels harmless. But your words shape your mood, and people can feel that energy. Stop feeding negativity. Next time, say, "It's tough, but I've got this." That small shift builds quiet confidence others notice. Habit number 3, overthinking. Tiny decisions. What should I wear? Should I go? You think you're being smart, but really you're training fear. Charismatic people decide quickly and calmly. It's not about being perfect, it's about trusting yourself. Start with small choices today on pick and move. Habit number 4, Saad, forgetting names. You meet someone and forget their name seconds later. It's not bad memory, it's lack of focus. And when you remember names, people feel seen. So repeat it. "Nice to meet you, Sarah." That tiny act makes you unforgettable. Habit number 5, speaking too fast. You rush to reply so you don't seem awkward. But silence isn't weakness, it's power. Pause for 2 seconds before answering. It makes you sound calm, confident, and magnetic. Charisma isn't about being loud or perfect. It's about calm presence and control. When you stop checking, stop complaining, decide faster, remember names, and slow down, people feel it. Pick one habit to fix today and try it for 24 hours. Then comment which one hit you hardest. As Maya Angelou said, people will never forget how you made them feel.